Well, it's amazing news that a third safe vaccine is hitting the market. The shot's efficacy rate is leaving some people wondering whether they would even want the Johnson & Johnson version if given the chance. Our McKenna King continues our team coverage and takes those concerns to the experts who urge us not to get caught up in the numbers.
You're hearing all kinds of numbers. Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine is 95% effective. Johnson & Johnson's is 85% effective against severe disease. And it begs the question, how much focus should we be putting on these numbers?
But I think this is an excellent vaccine.
Dr. Michael Tang warning, don't get caught up in percentages. Take whatever vaccine you can get.
It's really effective at preventing severe COVID, preventing hospitalizations, and it's extremely effective against preventing deaths.
According to the FDA, Johnson & Johnson's vaccine is 66% effective in preventing moderate to severe COVID-19 cases 28 days after vaccination. It's 85% effective in preventing severe or critical cases.
The other little numbers, they're very difficult to compare because of different, trial times, situations during the pandemic. The mRNA vaccines were tested in the summer when transmission was pretty low and we didn't have variants. The Janssen vaccine was tested when we had high transmission levels and a whole bunch of new variants.
Johnson & Johnson's vaccine has its benefits. It's a single dose and it'll remain stable for around 3 months at regular refrigerator temperatures. But the biggest benefit, it puts another safe vaccine on the table.
We need to get these vaccines rolling as quickly as possible so that people like me can get them too.
At 43 and living with a genetic condition and COPD, a pandemic is all the more stressful for Darlos.
My life expectancy is already diminished. And then if I were to add COVID to that, we don't know what would happen.
She's hopeful a third vaccine will help people like her get vaccinated faster. Coming up tomorrow, a CDC advisory committee will work on guidelines for who should get this vaccine. From there, Johnson & Johnson plans to ship out 20 million doses by the end of March. In Tampa, McKenna King, ABC Action News.